Most people think starting a factory requires millions of dollars, huge warehouses, and massive corporate teams. The truth is, you are missing out on a massive wave of compact technology that fits right on your workbench. Today, we are looking at 10 innovative, semi-industrial machines changing everything in 2026, allowing you to run a highly profitable mini factory right from your garage. While all of these setups are incredibly lucrative, our number one machine is a total game changer that turns ordinary food and everyday liquids into lightweight, premium products with a shelf life of 25 years. If you miss this specific machine at the end of the list, you are leaving the absolute highest margin garage business on the table this year. The micro-manufacturing market is booming right now, and regular people are capturing serious market share from home. If you want links or full details on where to get these machines, just comment "I'm ready," and I'll share the complete list with you. Let's begin.
This video is just for informational and educational purposes only. We do not guarantee income or results. Success depends on individual efforts, skills, and market conditions.
Number 10. Plastic to filament recycling machine for 3D printers. Tons of free raw material are sitting right inside your household recycling bin, just waiting to be turned into automated cash. This machine taps into a massive, hungry market of local makers, school tech labs, and prototyping workshops that desperately need affordable, sustainable materials. You simply drop empty plastic bottles or containers into the integrated shredder, watch the system dry out the moisture, and let the heated extruder push out flawless 1.75mm or 2.85mm printing line with digital temperature precision. Getting started requires a modest setup budget of $500 to $1,500 for a high-quality, warranted compact unit. Since your raw plastic scraps cost practically $0, your main expense is just a tiny bit of electricity and spooling. You can easily sell this finished spooled material for $15 to $30 per kilogram, locking in healthy profit margins of 40% to 60% after factoring in labor and electricity. By processing a realistic 5 to 10 kilograms of finished filament daily as you build your local client base, you are looking at a steady daily profit of $50 to $150. As you establish repeat customers, your home garage can smoothly generate an estimated monthly profit of $1,000 to $3,000, serving as a fantastic part-time income or a foundation for steady growth. Thousands of independent creators are actively hunting for eco-friendly supplies on sites like Etsy, while local 3D print shops eagerly buy up custom colors in bulk to keep their production costs down. If you think working with recycled plastic is profitable, wait until you see the desktop customization beast that prints vibrant full-color clothing graphics on absolute dark fabrics without any complicated prep work. Number 9. DTF Printer. Why compete in the crowded traditional printing space when you can instantly dominate the custom apparel industry from a spare desk? This DTF printer is experiencing explosive demand because local clothing brands, event planners, and sports teams are constantly ordering high-quality, custom garments. Your computer sends a full-color design to the machine, which sprays specialized inks, including pure opaque white, onto a special heat transfer film that easily presses onto t-shirts, caps, or bags. An investment between $600 and $800 secures a compact, high-resolution system with an automatic ink circulation setup to prevent any messy clogs. A blank transfer sheet and ink cost roughly $2 to $4 per design, but your finished custom garments fetch anywhere from $15 to $30 per unit. This leaves you with an incredible profit of $8 to $15 per garment, depending on your niche market. Turning out a realistic batch of 15 to 40 custom pieces daily for local clients yields a dependable daily profit of $120 to $600. Once you streamline your operation, your estimated monthly net income can scale from $2,000 to $5,000, depending entirely on your order volume and seasonal demand. E-commerce sellers are pulling in consistent orders by targeting specialized niches like indie clothing lines, corporate gatherings, and birthday parties. While clothing is a goldmine, the next machine uses high-tech sensors to package physical products at blinding speeds, making it an essential tool for the booming health and wellness market. Number 8. Smart Packaging Machine with AI Sensor. Can you imagine a simple garage tool that packs up to 40 items every single minute without wasting a single grain of product? The Smart Packaging Machine with an AI sensor for precise dosing is a major lifesaver for local health food startups, spice brands, and cosmetic makers who must scale up their physical fulfillment. You pour your dry grains, powders, or snacks into the upper hopper, and the intelligent weight sensors instantly measure and drop the exact volume into bags or jars using a digital touchscreen. You can bring this automated precision to your workspace for an investment ranging from $700 to $2,000. Bulk powders and simple pouches cost you around $1 to $1.50 per unit to put together, but the finished, beautifully sealed product retails easily for $4 to $6, securing sweet margins of 30% to 50% after ingredient costs. This means you clear a solid $1.50 to $2.50 of profit per package. By letting the machine fill a manageable 200 to 500 packages daily to supply local brands, you stack up $300 to $1,250 in daily returns. Scale that over a standard production month, and you can unlock a highly rewarding estimated monthly revenue of $5,000 to $15,000. Local gyms, specialty coffee shops, and independent wellness brands are always looking to outsource their packaging needs to clean, home-based mini factories that keep overhead low. If any of these setups are sparking a business idea for your own space, hit the like button so the algorithm keeps sending practical garage business concepts your way. Number 7. Desktop vacuum former with digital control. Ever thought about how easily you could turn a flat sheet of plastic into a rugged, professionally molded product in less than 5 minutes? This desktop vacuum former meets a massive need for local toy designers, electronics hobbyists, and cosmetic brands who require high-quality custom packaging or protective covers. You clip a plastic sheet of PVC or ABS into the frame, let the built-in oven heat it up to 300 degrees Celsius until it gets soft, and then trigger the heavy-duty vacuum pump to suck the sheet tightly over your 3D mold. Setting up this exact manufacturing station in your workshop requires a low initial investment of $400 to $1,000. For your materials, a raw plastic sheet costs you roughly 50 cents to $1, but your completed custom plastic cover or packaging shell sells easily for $3 to $8 per unit. That leaves you with a very healthy profit of $2 to $6 per piece, translating to a reliable and scalable profit margin. Making a realistic 30 to 80 pieces daily builds up a daily profit of $60 to $480. As you secure regular wholesale accounts, you can comfortably generate an estimated monthly revenue of $2,500 to $7,500. Small businesses love using these setups to sell protective toy cases on eBay or supply specialty trays to local gourmet bakeries. If creating plastic covers sounds like a solid business, wait until you see the liquid-filling marvel that lets you bottle sticky, high-end food goods with zero mess and extreme precision. Number 6. Mini Automatic Honey Bottling Machine. What if you could tap into the massive premium food market without dealing with the sticky nightmare of packing jars by hand? This machine is a vital tool for independent beekeepers, artisan sauce creators, and small batch nut butter brands who need to speed up their packaging. This compact unit uses a powerful piston pump to pull thick, slow-moving liquids from a heated hopper and inject them flawlessly into jars or squeeze pouches at a rate of 20 to 60 units every minute. You can add this automated liquid-filling workhorse to your garage space for an investment between $800 and $1,500. Buying bulk raw honey, labels, and glass jars brings your baseline material cost to about $3 to $4 per unit, while a single finished jar of high-quality artisanal honey sells easily for $8 to $15. This formula clears a beautiful profit of $4 to $9 per jar, which guarantees a highly sustainable return for a small-scale production line. Processing a highly achievable 100 to 250 jars daily puts a daily profit of $400 to $2,250 within your reach during production runs. Operating this setup to fulfill weekly wholesale orders brings in a reliable estimated monthly revenue of $4,000 to $12,000, depending on your batch sizes and local distribution. Independent farm-to-table brands routinely scale up their production using this method to fulfill steady orders for organic grocery stores and local farmers markets. While automated food packaging is highly scalable, our next machine uses a high-tech internal laser beam to turn ordinary glass blocks into high-end 3D works of art. Number 5. 3D Laser Engraving Machine on Crystal. Look closely inside a premium crystal gift and you will see a stunning floating image created entirely without touching the outside of the glass. This machine captures a highly lucrative market of corporate event planners, universities, and wedding coordinators who spend heavily on high-end custom keepsakes. You upload any standard digital image into the included software, slide a glass block onto the bay, and watch the green laser focus beneath the surface to crack the glass microscopically into thousands of perfect data points. You can purchase your own high-resolution desktop engraving system for a price range of $800 to $2,000. A blank, high-quality optical crystal block sets you back around $5 to $12, yet the finished, custom-engraved 3D crystal piece commands anywhere from $30 to $75. This vast difference rewards you with a great profit of $20 to $50 per piece, yielding spectacular margin for custom work. Fulfilling a modest daily run of 10 to 25 pieces locks in a daily profit of $200 to $1,250. Maintaining that pace as a high-margin side hustle translates into a brilliant estimated monthly revenue of $3,000 to $9,000. Creative entrepreneurs are making excellent money with this setup by selling custom memory gifts on Etsy and securing bulk contracts for local high school graduation trophies. If high-end crystal engraving sparks your interest, our next option steps completely away from glass to bend heavy metal tubes into modern high-demand furniture pieces. Number 4. Semi-automatic pipe bending machine. Most people think creating sturdy metal frames requires a massive industrial factory filled with heavy-duty casting gear. This pipe bending machine completely shatters that belief by allowing custom furniture makers, boutique interior designers, and kart racers to manufacture precise metal parts from home. You feed a straight piece of steel, copper, or aluminum tubing into the clamp, set your desired angle on the digital controller, and let the hydraulic drive smoothly curve the metal without any structural warping. Acquiring this rugged metal shaping capability for your workshop costs an investment between $1,000 and $2,500. Raw industrial metal piping costs you roughly $5 to $15 per section, but a fully formed piece or a finished assembly like a modern stool sells for $45 to $150. This gives you an exceptional profit of $25 to $90 per unit after hardware costs. Turning out a highly realistic volume of 15 to 40 bent pieces daily builds up a solid daily return of $375 to $3,600. Scaling this up smoothly as a 1 to 3 person team results in an estimated monthly revenue of $6,000 to $18,000 if you assemble full consumer products. Local metalworkers are thriving with this system by providing custom railing pieces to contractors and selling minimalist industrial clothing racks directly on Shopify. Next up, we are leaving the metal shop behind to explore a fast-paced labeling machine that solves the biggest bottleneck in the bottling industry. Number 3. Automac Bottle Sticker Labeling Machine. Applying branding by hand is a massive bottleneck that ruins the professional look of an otherwise great product. This machine is facing massive demand right now because small batch hot sauce makers, local juice brands, and independent cosmetic startups must scale up their presentation. You simply guide a round bottle or glass jar onto the motorized rollers, and the photoelectric sensor instantly triggers an adhesive label, smoothing it flat with millimeter precision without a single air bubble. Bringing this automated branding speed to your own home workshop requires an initial price between $800 and $2,000. A single adhesive label costs you roughly 15 cents to 30 cents, but applying it smoothly elevates your total product value from an unbranded baseline to a premium retail price, unlocking an extra net profit of $1 to $3.50 per container after accounting for the labeling service. Handling a very standard run of 200 to 600 containers daily for local clients translates to a steady daily profit of $200 to $2,100. Running the labeling rollers as a local business-to-business service secures an estimated monthly revenue of $4,000 to $12,000. Home-based entrepreneurs use this exact setup to run labeling services for neighboring businesses or to fast-track their own premium health products for Amazon shelves. Now, let's step up the volume significantly with a continuous sealing machine that wraps loose snacks into airtight retail packs at lightning speeds. Number 2. Mini Automatic Rotary Flow Pack Packaging Machine. How would you like to run a full-scale packaging line that wraps hundreds of items into professional airtight pouches while taking up less space than a standard couch? This machine is blowing up in popularity because independent protein bar brands, snack creators, and small hardware sellers need high-speed protective wrapping. You place cookies, energy bars, or electronic parts onto the continuous conveyor belt, and a rotating heated wheel cuts, seals, and pushes out identical wrapped pouches with total temperature control. You can purchase a highly capable, compact version of this flow pack assembly for an investment of $2,000 to $4,000. Your baseline wrapping film costs a tiny fraction of a cent, bringing your total material cost per item to about 20 cents to 50 cents, while the finished retail pack sells for $1.50 to $4 per unit. That leaves you with a consistent profit of 80 cents to $2 per package after product costs. Letting the rotary cutters push out a highly conservative, demand-driven 400 to 1,000 packages daily builds up a daily return of $320 to $2,000. Scaling that production over time yields a strong estimated monthly revenue of $5,000 to $15,000. E-commerce brands are scaling their private label food businesses from their garages by utilizing this exact speed to supply local convenience stores. We have finally reached the ultimate powerhouse of our list, a machine that locks food freshness away for 25 years and commands the absolute highest profits in the home business space. Number 1. Freeze Dryer. What if you could take ordinary, highly perishable food items and make them completely immune to spoiling without using a single chemical or preservative? This freeze dryer has become the absolute holy grail for independent candy makers, emergency preppers, and gourmet pet food businesses who are capitalizing on the massive freeze-dried food trend. You slide trays of fresh sliced fruit, gourmet meals, or popular gummy candies into the chamber, seal the door, and let the advanced cooling and vacuum systems drop temperatures below freezing to sublime out every drop of moisture. Investing in a reliable, commercial-grade desktop freeze-drying system requires a budget ranging from $2,500 to $5,000. A single batch of raw candy or fresh fruit costs you about $15 to $30 in materials, but once it is freeze-dried, puffed up, and repackaged into small specialty bags, they can sell for a combined total of $60 to $120. This unique value jump rewards you with a staggering profit of $40 to $80 per batch, giving you a spectacular profit margin. Running a highly achievable schedule of 1 to 2 batches daily around your regular routine clears a daily profit of $40 to $160, allowing for cycle times and prep work. Processing niche foods like this generates an estimated monthly profit of $1,200 to $4,000, easily making it one of the most reliable and realistic income streams you can start from a kitchen or garage. Thousands of viral creators are dominating TikTok Shop and Etsy by turning cheap, ordinary candies into crunchy premium treats that buyers cannot get enough of. At the start of this video, we talked about how a massive wave of compact technology is completely changing the rules for starting a factory in 2026. You do not need $1 million, a massive corporate team, or a giant industrial warehouse to build a serious income stream anymore. The 10 machines we looked at today prove that a standard garage, a little bit of focused workshop space, and the right smart tool are all it takes to build a highly profitable mini manufacturing business. Every single one of these setups solves a real-world problem for local buyers and online markets. The tech is accessible, the demand is growing, and the opportunity is waiting. Pick the one machine that matches your budget and excites you the most. Do your local market research and start building your own garage profits. Drop a comment below with the number of the machine that clicked with you the most, and let me know if you want a complete, step-by-step business blueprint on how to launch it. And if you are serious about building a real income stream from simple ideas like this, then make sure you are subscribed, because this channel is not for viewers who just watch, it is for people who actually build.